Mala, Chomi! Chomi, I am so excited! Ndiziva ndinemincili. Excited, imincili. Ndiziva excited, ndinemincili, because today, namhlanje, we are going to learn about wild animals! Yay! I love learning about wild animals. Wild animals is izilwanyana zasendle. Izilwanyana zasendle. Wild animals. So, today, let's put on our goggles and our sun hats and go into the wild and learn about wild animals. Izilwanyana zasendle. Masiyene ehlathini. We made it! Safika endle. Today, namhlanje, we are going to explore the forest. Elihlathi siza kulibuka kunye nechomi zam ezi-2. 2 is mbini. Ichomi zam ezimbini. Uthandi noThabiso. They are going to help me see and find all the wild animals. Yay! Yo, dinemincili. Let us go. Masambeni siyokhangela izilwanyana. Ooh, Chomi, what is that? Look over there. Yes, you're right. That is a lion. Ingonyama. Lion. Lion. Ingonyama. Ingonyama. Lion. Wow. And what is that big animal over there? Sasiphi isilwanyana esiyana? Oh, yes! Ewe, unyanisile. That is an elephant. Elephant, indlovu. Indlovu. Elephant. Elephant, indlovu. Indlovu. Elephant, indlovu. I wonder what animal this is. Sasiphi kanene esi isilwanyana? Let me think. Think ukucinga. Mandicinge. Oh, right! Ewe, unyanisile. That is a rhino. A rhino is umkhombe. Umkhombe is a rhino. 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 Umkhombe. Umkhombe. Wow! And what is that pretty animal? It looks like a horse. It's not a horse. That is iqwarhashe. Iqwarhashe is a zebra. Zebra. Iqwarhashe. Zebra. Iqwarhashe. 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 Zebra. Iqwarhashe. Can you guess what animal that is? You are right, Chomi. Unyanisile. That is a monkey. A monkey. Inkawu. Inkawu. Monkey. Monkey. Inkawu. Inkawu. Whoa! Look over there. Ndibona cheetah. I see a cheetah. A cheetah is ihlosi. Ihlosi. Cheetah. Cheetah ihlosi. Ihlosi. Wow! Sesiphi esiyana isilwanyana? Yes! That is a buffalo. A buffalo, inyathi. Inyathi. Buffalo. Buffalo, inyathi. 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 Buffalo. Inyathi. Hey, is that ihlosi again? Oh no! I'm so silly. That is a leopard. You're correct. That's a leopard. A leopard is ingwe. Ingwe. Leopard. Ingwe. Ingwe. Leopard. Ingwe. Whoa! That is a tall animal. Chomi, what animal is that? Sesiphi esi isilwanyana? Nyani. Okay, so this is a giraffe. Giraffe is idlulamthi. Idlulamthi. Yes, you are right, Chomi. This is a giraffe. Idlulamthi. Giraffe. Indlulamthi. Giraffe. Indlulamthi. Giraffe. Okay, Chomi. Now we are going to sing a song. Song is ingoma. Sing is cula. So we are going to sing cula, a song, ingoma. We are going to cula ingoma. Yay! And ingoma yethu, our song is called Umvundla. Umvundla is a rabbit. Yes, a rabbit is umvundla. Umvundla. Now let us sing a song. But before we sing our song, I will not be able to sing it alone. I need you to help me. Let's call my friends. Chomi. Are you helping me call my friends? Chomi. Ah, there they are. Here are my friends. First, I have a zebra, iqwarhashe, a elephant, indlovu, and a giraffe, idlulamthi. My friends are going to help me sing my song. Friends, are you going to help? They say yes. Okay, Chomi, let's go and sing the song. I'm so excited. Umvundlana othile wahambe funi Chomi wakhangela wadibana ne. Yes, wadibana nengonyama. Umvundlana othile wahambe funi Chomi wakhangela wadibana ne. Wadibana nantoni Chomi? Wadibana nendlovu. Umvundlana othile wahambe funi Chomi wakhangela wadibana nantoni? What did he find? Iqwarhashe. Good job. Umvundlana othile wahambe funi Chomi wakhangela wadibana ne. Ewe, wadibana nomkhombe. Umvundlana othile wahambe funi Chomi wakhangela wadibana ne. Wadibana nenkawu. wakhangela wadibana nehlosi. Wadibana nehlosi. Umvundlana othile wahamba efuna itshomi, wakhangela wadibana nenyathi. Well done, tshomi. Yo, uyazazi izilwanyana zasendle. Umvundlana othile wahamba efuna itshomi, wakhangela wadibana nengwe. Wow! Wadibana nengwe umvundla. Umvundlana othile wahamba efuna itshomi, wakhangela wadibana What is this, Chomi? Yes! Wadibana nendlulamthi. Well done, Chomi.